To review and edit your design proposal, select the case on your unique dashboard and choose View. Select Review to change the design. In this window, you can review the design proposal from our unique design team, you can show and hide different elements as shown in the video. To measure dedicated areas, just activate the measuring tool and select Start and End Point. The measurement will be shown on the screen. You can clear all the measurings or keep them. With the cross-section view, you can enable Sliced View to measure detailed areas. If you want to do the editing on your own, just select Editing. To get a better view, switch off the lower jaw. First of all, we can change the position of the orientation groove. With the colored handles, you can change the design. If you want to change a whole area, select the white circle. Also, the angulation of the abutment can be changed. To use the measuring tool, zoom in as shown in the video. If you click on a handle, it will show the distance to the different areas, like the space to your future crown, for example. On the left-hand side, you can activate the different handles. You can undo all your edits with one single click. If you confirm, you will get the initial proposal back that was provided by Design Service. You can now modify again based on your needs. In this example, we just changed the orientation groove position. Once you click Validate, the system will calculate your design. If the validation was successful, you can continue with the next step. If you accept the order terms, your design will be forwarded directly to manufacturing with no further review by the design service team. It will go directly into the production process.